Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I have another shake for you guys, but before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. Alright, let's get started. So if you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my muscle building shake or the calorie monster shake. I will make sure to link it up right here, but this is going to be the opposite. So with that video where we really increased our calories and our protein intake, here we're going to be slimming it down a little bit. So this is going to be for those of you out there that want to, maybe lose some weight. Now, don't misconstrue like what I'm saying or the title of this video. If you just drink this shake every day, you're not going to magically lose 10 pounds. And all you have to do is drink this and don't eat any food. No, that's not what I'm saying. But there's definitely going to be less amount of calories and less amount of protein and less compared to the other shake that I had made in my previous video. So it's just going to be depending on what you guys are looking for, what it is that you need, what kind of nutrients that you need to be getting in throughout the day, because everybody's different. So just want to make that little disclaimer. Don't think you can just drink this every day and just lose weight. I'm not telling you to do that. But for this video, all you're going to need is your almond milk, some coffee. So this is going to be a perfect, shake to make straight in the morning if you're a coffee person. Then we have our protein powder. I used vanilla here, but you're more than welcome to use a chocolate or something like that. And then we have our trusted chocolate chips. Super good. So all we're going to do is go ahead and take our NutriBullet and just put these ingredients together and start blending. Now, for this smoothie, shake, whatever you want to call it, it's more of a shake. You might want to add ice just because there's going to be a good amount of your liquid here. So we're going to have a cup of our almond milk or whatever milk you guys want to use and a cup of our coffee. And we don't have any fruits or things like that to kind of thicken this up a little bit. We just have a protein powder and a handful of chocolate chips. So I'm probably going to be adding some ice just for that thicker consistency, but it's totally up to you guys. So it doesn't matter necessarily what order you put these in, but I'm going to go ahead and put the liquids in first. That way my protein powder doesn't just stick to the bottom and to the sides when I flip this over. So we have our milk, we have our coffee. This is just normal coffee from the pot. Nothing's added to it, nothing funky. We have our protein powder. Make a little bit of a mess. I mean, this already looks good to me. But again, it's going to depend on the consistency that you guys like, depending what it is. Like, for instance, that mango smoothie, I believe that it was, where I used the avocado in it. I can link that up here. It was so good. That was such a creamy and soft, if that makes sense, consistency, very thick. So just depends on what you guys are looking for. So sure. I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some ice. Alright, so we just have a little bit of ice here. Nothing too crazy, but also unlike the other video that I made where it was another breakfast smoothie, I believe, where I used the Dunkin' Donuts coffee that you can buy at the store. I mean, that was already cold. This was literally from the pot and it's warm, and I don't really want a warm shake. That's not my thing. So it's another reason why I wanted to add ice to this one. But that's literally all you're gonna do. I'm just gonna get this stuff out of my way and get blending. The chocolate chips on top. Okay, now we're gonna get blending. I can already tell I'm gonna like this. Look at that. It looks like an iced coffee or something. Do you hear that? Look how much this made. It's so foamy. Can't wait to try this. Alright guys, so I'm just going to transfer this over to my cup with my smoothie straw, and then we'll get to trying some. This is a piece of ice. Okay, so just for reference, this made so much. I can probably get an entire other glass of this. So that's what I meant by there's a ton of liquid, and plus we emulsified it really well, and there's kind of a foam on top, which looks really good. But just so you guys know, you can definitely get a ton out of this if you want to put the rest in the fridge and save it for later, if you're making it for 2, or if you want to go ahead and put it in the freezer like I have with my other videos. I'm actually planning on doing that. I always label everything beforehand so I know exactly what it is, or if somebody else wants it, everything that's in there in case anyone's allergic or anything like that. And typically what I'll do is I'll just run the baggie over some, you know, like warm water, like I would like the acai packs, like in my Fruta or Pliable videos like that, or the, you know, pitaya, those types of things, and I'll just run it over there till it gets a little bit manageable and I can kind of break it apart, and then I will go ahead and put that all in my NutriBullet, and then depending on the consistency that I'm looking for, I'll, you know, add some more maybe almond milk or liquid so that it'll be easier for me to kind of break it down a little bit depending, but that's literally it. So I'm definitely going to do that with the rest of this, but we'll put this stuff out of the way so we can try some. Okay, this smells so good. Look at all that foam. This is such a good breakfast smoothie. I love the coffee in this. I'm not a crazy coffee girl, but I'll drink it like this. So good. Kind of tastes like a vanilla, like, I don't know, like a vanilla, just nice coffee that you would get from like Starbucks or something. It has the nice foam on top. It's got that little hint of chocolate. It's nothing like too strong. I didn't put too much in it, but this is good. Okay guys, so before I finish this video out, I just wanted to come back on here and let you guys know, while I was putting the, you know, rest of the smoothie back in here to freeze, like the other half of it, I was pouring it out and I realized, literally, like, you can see some pieces of like the chocolate chip in here, maybe. I don't know if you can see that. But I did notice, you know how I said the taste of the chocolate wasn't very strong? Literally, like, all of the crushed chocolate chips just sunk to the bottom, which was kind of lame. So instead, probably what I would do is maybe shave pieces of chocolate and add that on top. Or if you wanted to have that chocolatey flavor, maybe you want to add a chocolate protein powder or a little bit of that cacao powder, whatever that I used in my other video, to get that kind of flavor or the nutrients from it. But adding the chocolate chips, it didn't really do much because, like, I don't know how that's going to be, like, sucking it through the straw all the way at the bottom. Like, it was literally all just chunks at the bottom. It wasn't blended in at all or anything. So I don't know if that's because I use the NutriBullet or what it is, but I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. So that's all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody who likes coffee or anybody who's trying to just lose a few pounds. And definitely let me know if you guys like videos like these, if you want me to do more about gaining or losing weight. I don't care which one it is, if it's recipes, if it's just me talking about it, or anything like that. Definitely let me guys know. Let me know. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.